That's a cool computer, man. Oh yeah? Where are you heading to tonight? Good deal. Is that where you just left just now?
Well, I went to my apartment. I was at the library with my apartment
cool,
on South Donaghy, and then I was going to go see her.
Alright, sit tight for just a second. Go ahead and pull that up. Yeah, I'll...
Right here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
There you go.
Alright, good deal. Alright, sit tight for me for just a second, alright?
I'll do it.
How's it going tonight?
Good, how are you, man?
I'm doing good. You just say you're coming from the library?
Yeah, well, I was at my apartment. I was at the library, and I stopped by my apartment now.
Where you live at?
South Donaghy, University Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
I live in Bear Village, so I'm right there by you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually think that University Park was originally meant to be part of Bear Village.
It seems like it, doesn't it?
I really think that's what it was. Now, like, really, I think that once they got it built, I think there was, like, not enough budget, not enough in the budget to pay for all
So
that.
Rush Hour just took it over?
I think that's the story, but I don't have anything official in there. This is what I've heard.
Yeah, because they look the exact same inside and out.
Yep.
Do you like living there?
Oh, man, I love it, yeah.
Pretty close to campus, but you're far enough away to where you don't catch all the crowd and traffic.
Right, yeah. I usually bike to school, and so it's important for me to be as close enough to campus.
Oh, yeah, because you don't want a long bike ride, especially if the weather gets bad or something like that.
Yeah, or if it's hot. Oh, my God.
The way the weather's been lately, it probably wouldn't be too bad, but during the summer or whenever it's raining or snowing or something like that, it's just not a good deal. He'll be back with you.
See on this side?
Oh man, step out, I'll show you what I'm talking about now that you got it, okay?
Yeah, in fact, I knew that it was out. I've got it right here.
Oh, that's awesome.
I've had to figure
I hear you. Yeah, so it's just this brake light right here. If you already know that it's
Yeah.
anyway, I'll give you something back. What's that in your pocket you got? I think don't mind me
Here?
asking. Yeah.
It's gonna sound really weird. I'm a magician, and it's a magic wand.
Can I see? Would you be okay to do? You don't have to. I don't want you to feel pressure.
I'll do some magic if you insist.
Yes.
This is.
Is that juggler? Is that what?
I'm also a juggler. That's true. Yeah.
Let's see it. Come on. That's awesome. No pressure though. I want you to know you don't have to.
Actually, got.
This is gonna be awesome.
They just made your night.
You just made my night, man. I gotta tell you.
I've actually got some juggling props if you'd rather see that.
Let's see it, man.
But
Whatever you feel comfortable
But
with.
the only requirement is you have to get a video of me juggling while I've been pulled over.
All right, you got
So
it.
you hang on to that. Don't drop it. There's no case.
Okay. All right.
But you have to get a picture of me juggling.
Is it going? It's going. Man.
Oh my goodness. This is the new sobriety test in Conway.
Made it. Oh! That was awesome. I missed the finale though. I kind of got off. Oh no! That's awesome. That's awesome, man. Hey, enjoy your night, okay?
Thanks, guys.
And another, I'll be honest with you. Another reason I stopped you. You're going off to slow down, Donaghy. And a lot of times, someone going below the speed limit is indication someone's been drinking.
Really?
You got close to the curb once or twice, but you're obviously fine. So nobody can do that intoxicated. Anyway.
That's true.
All right, man. Hey, have a good
Thanks,
night. Okay?
guys.
Yes, sir.
You have a good one.
Be safe tonight.
Hey, thank you.
You too.